Hello, how are you? Welcome once again to this your channel. With this tutorial we will continue making our princess Fiona and we will make her shoes. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet, in the description of this video you can find the links. So if you are ready, let's start. We will start using green color yarn. In round 1 we will make 4 chains. When we already have 4 chains, we will start in the second chain making 2 single crochet. Well, we will repeat 2 single crochet and 1 triple increase 2 times. 1 and 2, here the first single crochet. And please put some mark here because here we will make the last triple increase. So the second single crochet, and in the last chain 1 triple increase, 3 single crochet together in the same place. 2 and 3, and now we will repeat the same on this side. 1 single crochet, 2, and here remember when we put some marker, the last triple increase, 2 single crochet and 3, and we already finished this round with 10 points, and you can see the result. This is the first round. Round 2, we will repeat 2 times, 2 single crochet and 3 increase, and we will finish with 16 points. 1 single crochet, 2, and now 3 increase. 1, 2, and 3, and we will repeat the same one more time. Round 3, we will repeat 2 times, 2 single crochet and 6 increase, and we will finish this round with 28 points. 1 single crochet, 2, and now 6 increase, 1 increase, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and we will repeat 2 single crochet and 6 increase one more time. Round 4, we will make 28 single crochet, but we will take only the back loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue making single crochet until the end of this round. Round 5 to 8, we will make 28 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet until the end of this round, and the same until round 8. I'm already finished round 8, and round 9 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 6 decrease, 1 decrease, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and for the end 14 single crochet. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and in this single crochet we will change to gold colored yarn. You can cut this yarn because we don't use again. And now we will use gold colored yarn. And now we can finish this single crochet using the new colored yarn. In round 10 we will make 21 slip stitch, taking the back loops only. You can see I prepare here 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing slip stitch until the end of this round. Well, we will make 21 slip stitch because we will use a wool needle to make the last slip stitch. You can see now. You can see this is the result. And now we will put some wool needle. And you can see how I do it is very easy. And now you can secure and hide it. Remember that we need 2 equal shoes. I'm already made this detail and you can see now how I do it. And this is the result. Remember, we need 2 equal shoes. And now we are ready to put these shoes on our princess Fiona. And first, you need to make this. And that's it. And now we are ready finished our princess Fiona. I really love it. So please don't forget, if you like this tutorial, give me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't yet part of this wonderful community, I invite you to subscribe and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next time, bye bye!